Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to view your chart data in detail and export it as a CSV file from your Power BI visuals. Whether you're just starting out with Power BI or looking to share your data in a handy format like Excel, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know step by step how to dig into your visuals data and save it for later use. Let's jump right in. If you've got a report open in Power BI and you see your data presented in a visual, like a bar chart, which is what we're using in this example, the first thing you'll want to do is click directly on one of the bars in your chart. This isn't just about selecting the chart, you're actually telling Power BI which data point you're interested in examining more closely. Go ahead and give a click. Now with that specific bar selected, right-click on it. When you do this, a little menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Show Data Point as Table. Click that. What happens next is pretty neat. A table will pop up showing all the detailed data behind that particular chart bar. It's sort of like lifting the hood on your visual so you can see the numbers and records that make up that segment. This is super helpful if you want to double-check what's going into your visual or if you're looking for exact figures. Now, what if you want to take this data outside of Power BI, maybe to analyze it in Excel or share with a colleague? No problem, let's export it. Look towards the top right corner of your Power BI canvas. That's the whole area where your report is displayed. Up there, you'll spot an icon with three little dots stacked vertically, which is called the More Options menu. Give that a click. In the drop-down, find the option that says Export Data. Click it. At this point, Power BI will prompt you to choose where you want to save the data. You can change the file name or pick a location, just like you would when saving any new file. Once you hit save, a CSV copy of your chart's underlying data will be generated. Honestly, CSV files are great because they're so flexible. You can open them in Excel, Google Sheets, or even import them into another database if you need. Let's take this one step further and look at some export settings you can adjust if you need more control. If you head over to the File tab at the top left corner, click on that and then choose Options and Settings, followed by Options. This opens up a window where you can customize Power BI to suit your needs. Over on the left side, find and click on Current File and then Report Settings. Scroll through the report settings until you see an area called Export Data. Here you'll usually see three different selections, and you can choose the one that best matches how you'd like your data exported, maybe more or less detailed depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, simply click OK to save your changes. And if at any point you want to go back to your main report view, just look for the Back to Report button and click that. Easy, so there you have it. That's how you can explore the exact details behind a Power BI visual and export them quickly as a CSV file. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about exporting or using Power BI in general, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next Power BI tips for beginners. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.